And just like that, boys and girls, you see this plane? Hell yeah.
That's a private jet.
It's our private jet landing. This is our new view to our apartment. You see that fit check? That fit check? Ooh.
Fuck, dude.
Let me bring out the dollar sign.
What you mean, dog? Fuck, I'm cold. Fuck y'all. What I do for y'all?
This is our own private elevator. Hell yeah.
Let's go to the kitchen. Kitchen.
We're going kitchen.
I'm kind of hungry, boys. How about y'all?
I know, me too. I'm starving. I thought Golden Ramsay was flying us out for dinner tonight.
He canceled until next week.
He canceled till next week. So now it's that one.
He always does this kind of stuff, bro.
So now it's that one bitch on channel fucking 4, bro.
The one that don't know how to cook. Hey, this is the wrong floor.
floor.
We were coming to the kitchen, but we.
See, that's what. But we couldn't go up, but that was 4.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I thought it was fucking 2.
God,
we went all the way down to fucking 2 just to come up with.
What the hell did I press?
you put 3.
There you are, bro.
So what's it say 4 here?
Yeah, you pressed 3.
We're on color.
As you can see, guys. As you can see, we're now in neutral, trying to make it all the way down.
Damn.
Hold on.
Let me see you put in that work. Teamwork. When you get it up and running, we gotta get in the car. All right, mate. I think that's enough. Get in the car. Get in the car. Go. Get in the car. Get in the car. It's like the Kiki challenge, bro. Hold this. Okay.
This never happened.
We got real speed now.
Look at that shit.
Look at this. Look at your grind. We're going non-stop now.
Oh shit! I kinda got a break.
Don't break, bro.
Don't break. Why are you bothering me, bro?
Why are you taking a picture of me, bro?
It's a video, bro. It's for the vlog.
Oh. But why are you taking a picture of it?
My camera. Dang. We got out of dinner with the boys. Came to my car. There's a used diaper.
Who's Granny? Who's Granny, bro?
Who's Granny?
Whoever did this, good one. I'll find you.
We'll get your back, bitch.
I ain't know about us.
Wash all back. Wash all scars.